Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to analyze GBPJPY on daily, 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. And I believe this video will offer more value to you because first time I'm going to include 4-hour and 1-hour time frame analysis along with the daily, which I usually do. So in turn, you will find out that how you can analyze a particular market on the different time frames and how you can find out the trading setups on daily, 4-hour and 1 hour. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we will start from the higher time frame and subsequently we will go to lower time frame. So first we will analyze daily time frame and then 4-hour and then 1 hour. So let's start. So starting from here, we can see on the daily time frame, we can see if we start from here, we can see it's a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and these two highs are the same, and these are same as the previous high, so it's the same high basically. And we made this low, but this is like a low, didn't go below the previous low, so we can say right now the price is between this high and this low. So but still we are making lower lows and lower highs on the daily, so we are still bearish. Now if we talk about the possible trading setup in this market, then we can wait for the price to pull back into this previous resistance zone or the lower high of this downtrend, and then we can look for any kind of shorting opportunities on the lower time frames, which is 1 hour and the 4 hour. So that is about the daily. Now let's check what is happening on the 4 hour. Let's clear this one. So on the 4 hour, as we can see, price is making high highs and high lows. Starting from here, we can see it's a high low, high 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 low, high 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 low, and then we made a high high, and then price pulled back to the previous low, and now trying to break out higher of the previous highs, but the 4-hour candle hasn't closed, so that we can see once this 4-hour candle closed. But now, as we can see, price is consistently making higher highs and higher lows, so we are bullish on 4-hour as well. So as we are bullish, so we are going to look only for long trades. So if we talk about the possible trading setup on 4-hour, then if price break and close higher above this high, then we can wait for a pullback into the broken zone and look for any kind of opportunity to go long on the lower time frames as compared to the 4 hours. So lower time frames for the 4-hour are 1 hour and the 15 minutes. So once the price approaches this zone, we can go to we can go to 1 hour or the 15 minutes chart, and we can look for trading opportunity based on candlestick patterns or chart pattern. Specifically, I would like to take a trade in this zone. If the price enter this zone, I would like to take the trade if there is a engulfing candle, or there is a double bottom pattern, or if we have a morning star, a candlestick pattern. So these patterns I specifically use. You can take trades based on your entry trigger or your entry rules. So this is going to be one trading setup. Another one is if the price break and close higher, then we can also wait for the price to pull back into the previous low and give us some bounce to go long. So these are the two possible scenarios that we see in 4-hour. Now we will go to 1 hour time frame and see what is happening at the 1 hour time frame as well. Now on the 1 hour, as you can see, price is bullish. Let's start from here. Suppose it's a high low, high 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 low, high 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 low, and then these two highs are the same, so we will consider the second one. And then we have this series of lows, but none of the low closed below this low, so we are still bullish. And we will consider the lowest low here, which is this one. And right now the price has closed above the previous high on the 1 hour, so we have closed right here. Now as we can see, the price is making higher highs and higher lows on 1 hour, so we are bullish. If we are bullish, we are going to look only for long trades. So now long trades, what are the possible trading setup in this market? on 1 hour time frame. So we can wait for the price to push a bit higher and give us a close there. Sorry guys, and then we can wait for a pullback into the recent broken zone, and then look for some kind of indications to go long on the lower time frame. For the 1 hour, the lower time frames can be 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So once the price approaches this zone here, then we should go to 15 minute or 5 minute and look for some kind of candlestick patterns or the chart pattern that I mentioned earlier. The same thing we are going to do as we do on the higher time frames. Once the price enter this zone, we will go to 15 minutes or 5 minutes, and then we will look for some kind of engulfing candle, double bottom, or a morning star kind of patterns, which I specifically do. You can take entry based on your entry trigger or your entry rules. So this is going to be the one setup. Also, we can also wait for the price to pull back lower into the previous low and look for some kind of indications to go long. So these are the two possible scenarios that we see on 1 hour. So that is how, guys, you can analyze a particular market on the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and not only on these time frames, but you can analyze any market like this as I did in this video. Analyze the market on the different time frames and find the trading setups on the different time frames. Now in this particular video, we have seen that GBPJPY was bearish on the daily, so we were looking for short trades on the daily zones. But when we shifted to 4 hours, we know the market is bullish on 4 hours, so on 4 hours we are looking for long trades. And when we shifted to 1 hour, we know that the market is bullish on 1 hour, so we are going to look for long trades on the 1 hour. That is how, guys, you can analyze and define the trading setup on the different time frames. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. And guys, if you want more trading setups like this, because it's difficult to prepare a video each and every day, but if you want more market analysis, more trading setups like this, then you can join my Telegram channel, which I started yesterday. And the name of the channel you can find in the description box of this video. So in that Telegram channel, how I would share these kind of trading setups regularly. So thank you very much, guys. See you in another video.